We all love to save money. So, can swapping out your air filter actually put more money in your pocket? Short answer, yes, and it's easier than you think. Think of your HVAC system like your body. If your lungs are clogged, you have to work harder to breathe, right? Same with your system. A dirty filter forces your HVAC to work overtime to push air through, which uses more electricity and jacks up your bill. By changing your filter on time, you make it easier for the air to flow. That's less strain, lower energy use, and yes, smaller bills. Depending on your system and home, people can save anywhere from a few bucks a month to noticeable amounts over the year. Here's a pro tip. Choose the right filter for your system. Too thick or too dense, and your system still has to work hard. Too thin, and it won't catch much. There's a sweet spot, and checking your owner's manual helps you find it. Another easy trick, check your filter monthly. If it looks dirty before the scheduled change, swap it anyway. That little step can add up in energy savings. And don't forget, keeping up with your filter not only helps your wallet, it makes your home air healthier too. Win-win. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out our Facebook for more, and I'll see you in the next one.